Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into AOI. AOI Automatic Optical Inspection is a core automated quality inspection technology in PCBA manufacturing, widely used in bare board production and quality control after component assembly. Its core principle is to capture surface images of boards via high-definition cameras, conduct pixel-level comparison with preset standard images or CAD files, and automatically identify various defects through deep learning, template matching, and other algorithms, without manual visual intervention. The detection scope includes bare board defects such as PCB circuit short circuits, open circuits, RRS, solder mask bubbles, missing printing, and character misprinting, as well as PCBA assembly issues like missing components, wrong components, reverse pasting, and cold soldering, mainly divided into bare board AOI and assembly AOI. Its core advantages are detection efficiency 5 times higher than manual inspection, accuracy is greater than or equal to 99%, 24/7 continuous operation, real-time recording of defect data to support process optimization, avoiding secondary damage caused by manual contact, and suitability for high-density precision PCBA products.